How to earn online with little capital. People who are interested in learning how to generate money online will, sooner or later, look for guidance on various websites and online discussion groups. In this video, we will talk about how to earn online with little capital. Before video starts, like this video, it is of the utmost importance for someone just starting to take into account the views of seasoned professionals and to check the material very carefully. This is the most effective method for separating pyramid scams and other high-risk investments from potentially lucrative initiatives. Our audience will be provided with information on how they can legitimately and securely make money online. Therefore, let's take a more in-depth look. Where should one go to make money while working online? The advent of the internet has caused significant shifts in many aspects of our regular lives. It's not just about a job and generating money. It's also about having access to information and building connections with other people. Many regular residents in today's society have weekly incomes of $1,000, which prevents them from even leaving their houses. This is because there are thousands of different opportunities for earning money online, such as blogging and investments. Despite the consensus amongst professionals that such approaches are not appropriate for everyone, those who are just starting should pay extra attention to detail and make sure they grasp everything, as a lack of comprehension can lead to frustration. The riskiest investment platforms are not appropriate for beginners, since they are too difficult to understand. However, are there any other options? Investments are not just about large sums of money. There is no longer a requirement for inhabitants of the United States to have saved up to $100,000 to get a good deal on the stock market. To get started, a deposit of between $50 and $100 will suffice. However, consumers need to be aware of the fact that making money online has rapidly become a mecca for many different forms of online scams. As a result, not all of the available choices are as desirable. We receive the following results when we type how to make money on the internet into a search engine. Number 7. Foreign exchange and binary options. This is certainly one of the more high-risk approaches to investing. Even in the United States, several people and legal entities engaged in trading on the American Stock Exchange, Amex. We are talking about millions upon millions of individuals here. The majority of people living in the United States were hesitant to go with this choice, even though they eventually acknowledged that this was not a hoax. You don't need to put in a lot of time and effort to learn how to trade, because all you have to do is imitate what more seasoned traders are already doing. Number 6. Training conducted online. This is one of the online money-making opportunities that have the most potential for success. People who can communicate fluently in a foreign language may want to consider becoming online tutors. The vast majority of students are interested in attending exclusively conversation-based sessions. They wish to remember what they already know and to improve their self-assurance when they are speaking. However, this is not the only choice available. You can generate income by giving talks on the inner workings of video creation, website design, search engine optimization, and other related topics. Number 5. Cryptocurrencies. It was 5 years ago when the idea of earning money from cryptocurrencies like Bitcoin and Ethereum first gained traction. After then, a good number of the finalists were pessimistic. Since the last surge in activity in this industry, numerous millions of dollars worth of investments have been made. A favorable impression of the instrument is virtually certain as a consequence of this fact. This strategy is not connected with gains in the short term, yet people do manage to strike the jackpot during the heights of the market. Number 4. Programs offered by RevShare, mainly pyramid schemes. People are financially compensated by these sites to spread the word and bring in new business partners. Even while it is possible to earn a few times, you should not expect satisfaction from doing so. Number 3. Creating web pages and making money off of advertisements using Google's AdSense. People can build their blogs without even having to purchase a domain name. They have the option of using WordPress or Blogger as their blogging platform. To get the most out of a blog post once it has been published, promote it on social media. After 1 to 3 months, most of the time, advertising will start showing interest in you. In this instance, the most important part of the investment is the purchase of material that is relevant. You can construct a vacation blog, a platform for reviewing restaurants, and plenty more. Number 2. Invest your money successfully in the stock market. In principle, this shouldn't be too hard to understand. When the price of a stock is low, investors will buy it, and when it rises, they will sell it. However, not everything is as straightforward as it may seem. This is because understanding how the market functions will take several months. One effective strategy involves creating a diverse investment portfolio and stocking it with relatively low-risk businesses that are anticipated to experience price appreciation. It is quite unlikely for individuals to make a significant amount of money in the stock market in a short period. Then the most successful investors in the world, such as Warren Buffett, have not become wealthy only through stock trading. Even though this does not in any way diminish the potential of this strategy. Number 1. Video blogging. People can share their expertise and experience while earning money through the publication of videos on YouTube. The only thing required of them is to agree on a topic that they may discuss. The investment required is quite little, and most of it is comprised of the acquisition of various pieces of apparatus. Everything is dependent on your level of motivation and commitment. It should come as no surprise that a greater sum carries a greater degree of danger. It is best practice, as it is with any other type of trading activity, to invest only the amount of money that you are willing to lose. The amount of platforms and ways an investor likes determines how much profit they make. People can choose from dozens of websites that offer the opportunity to become a billionaire in a single day by setting up multiple accounts for automated trading. Nevertheless, it is recommended that they test their luck on trading platforms that are not dependable. The internet is not simply fun for people who want to play video games and watch streaming movies. It is also possible for people to make money using it. However, when it comes to matters of investments, projections are not always positive. Here is always a possibility of losing money, even when using the approach that is perceived to be the most straightforward and trustworthy. Making money online is not suitable for everyone, and you should be aware of any activities that can include fraud. People need to be sane and rational if they wish to generate money legitimately online, without the risk of losing their investments, and while staying away from financial pyramid schemes. The vast majority of people that market different kinds of investment platforms do so in some way or another to offer investment strategies that have been tried and tested over the years. However, such choices are evident to a seasoned trader or blogger, but not to a novice in either field. Therefore, those who are just starting shouldn't expect that their investment will pay off in 1 month. Do you feel this video interesting for you? Give your valuable feedback in our comment section below, and subscribe to our YouTube channel for more videos.